Hello everyone! In this video we are going to learn how to add Google Form responses to Google Docs automatically. Suppose I have an Academy of Music where I collect feedback of each student in my Google Forms and I want those form responses or feedbacks to be collected in Google Docs in real time. Now, the use case in this video is whenever a new response is added in Google Forms, it will automatically add data to Google Docs. But the issue here is there is no direct connection between Google Forms and Google Docs. That's why I'm going to use an integration and automation software Pabbly Connect, which will help us to transfer the data from Google Forms to Google Docs. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is it doesn't require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. Now, let's begin with an example. Okay, so this is my Google form and this is my Google Docs and this is the spreadsheet that is connected to this Google form. Now, I'm just filling a random detail of a student, that is Tia Mishra. Okay. Now, email tia@gmail.com. Feedback, I'm just going back to the sheet and just copying this feedback only. Okay. Okay, this is copied and again the suggestion thing also. So yeah, I'm just copying it and paste it over here. Okay, now I'm submitting just to check whether this student feedback Google Docs get the response or not. Now I'm just clicking on submit. Okay, the response has been recorded. Now going back to the student feedback Google Docs. Okay, so we have got the response and this was the simple idea to connect student feedbacks Google form to student feedbacks Google Docs. That means we have already connected. Now we are going to see how this works. So first of all, type pabbly.com in your browser, press enter. Okay, so this is the site of Pabbly. Here 3 options are visible. Just click on products and click on connect. That's how you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here again you got 3 options. Just click on sign in. As I have already made my account on Pabbly, that's why I have directly signed in. If you haven't made any account on Pabbly, you can just create your free account in 2 minutes. It is very easy to create. So I'm just clicking on connect access now here. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow just to continue our work. So I'm just clicking on this create workflow button and I'm naming my workflow Google Forms to Google Docs. Okay, so this is my name of workflow. Now I'm just clicking on create. After clicking on create, the window will appear. This window is known as trigger window. You might be thinking, what is this trigger or trigger window? So let me tell you, automation works on the concept of actions and triggers. Triggers is basically when this happens. Suppose in this use case, whenever a new response is added, that will be trigger. And action, do this. That means add the data to Google Docs. That will be our action. So that will be our further part. So just concentrate on this and choose a trigger app. Okay, so here I'm going to choose Google Forms. Okay, so Google Forms, and here you have to choose a trigger event. I'm choosing this. Now we have got the webhook URL. Now just we have to follow these steps and get connected to Google Forms. So I'm just going back to Google Forms. Okay, so this is my Google form and here I'm creating a new form. Okay, I'm titling it as Academy Feedback. Okay, here question, I'm just writing student name. Okay, and student email and one last field, that is feedback. Okay, so I'm mentioning it as a required field and it is long answer text. Okay, so this is my form and here I'm going on response and clicking on this sheet option, and here I'm just creating my spreadsheet that will be connected to my form. Okay, so I'm naming it as Academy Feedback. Okay, now click on create. Okay, so this is our spreadsheet and this is our form. Okay, now click on preview button. Wonderful. Now go back to Pabbly. Here we have to use this webhook URL. So I'm just copying it. And I'm going back to this Academy feedback spreadsheet. Here we are clicking on add-ons. Okay, so I'm clicking on Pabbly Connect webhooks initial setup. So I have already installed Pabbly Connect webhooks. In case if you haven't installed, just click on get add-ons. Google Workspace Marketplace will open up and here you have to type Pabbly Connect webhooks. Just click on it. From here you have to install it. I have already installed, so I'm just closing it. Okay, now you have to refresh your sheet. Wonderful. Now if you have paid attention, let me clear this. The Academy form contains these three fields and these three fields are also visible here. Okay, so first of all, now go this add-ons, connect Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. Okay, here I'm going back to this Pabbly Connect just to remind you that we have copied this webhook URL. Okay, and I'm going here and I'm just pasting my webhook URL. Okay, here my last column is feedback. This is D, so I'm just making it as D. Okay, now this is my trigger column and your last column would be your trigger column. Okay, now I'm just going back to this Academy feedback form and I'm just filling it with a random student name, that is Anjali Mishra. Okay, and this is email anjali@gmail.com. Okay, and feedback, I'm just adding a random one. So yeah, I'm just adding it. It's just a random detail, so I'm just clicking on submit. Okay, and I'm going back to this Academy feedback spreadsheet and here I'm going to send test. Before that I'm going to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to click on this webhook response. Okay, here I'm going back here and just send test request. Okay. Okay, so test data sent successfully. Now I'm clicking on submit and here we have got this data and now I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and here we have received the response. So this was the response and this was the feedback. This was just a random one. Okay, now we have already connected Google Forms with Pabbly. Now the next step is we have to connect Pabbly with Google Docs. So now I'm adding an action window. So this is action as I've already explained to you. So for action app, I'm choosing Google Docs. Okay. Now for action event, I'm choosing append a paragraph to a document. Okay, now I'm clicking on connect. And here I have to connect my Google Docs with Pabbly. Okay, so this is my account. And here I'm just allowing the permission of Pabbly Connect Drive just to get connected with my account. And you can trust Pabbly, it is 100% safe. So click on allow. Okay, now here the document thing. So I'm just telling you these are the already documents that are available in my Google Docs. So how about if we create another document over here? Okay, so we can create a new one. So this is my new, and let's title it as Academy Responses. Okay, so this is my new docs, and I'm going back to Pabbly Connect here and just refreshing it now. Okay, so here is the new docs, that is Academy Response. So I'm just clicking on it, and here we have to map the data. So first of all, just write how you want the information to be captured. So first of all, I'm writing it here as student name. Okay, here with the semicolon. Okay, and just map it over here. Okay, so now I'm adding /n just to make another line. Okay, just to shift the next sentence to another line. So here again I'm adding as student email colons. Okay, and you can map it from here. Again /n for another line, /n, and this time it is feedback. Okay, so here again, now feedback is this. Okay, now you can add some kind of separation by putting /n. Okay, so you can just add it, it's your choice. So yeah, we have done with this mapping, so we can click on save and send test request. Okay, now we have got the response, that is response received. I'm just saving the data. Okay, now I'm going back to this new docs, that is Academy Responses, just to check whether we have got this same response over there or not. Okay, so we have got the response here. That means our integration or our connection between Google Forms and Google Docs is successful through Pabbly Connect. Okay, now I'm going back to Pabbly Connect, and this is all done. Let me minimize this. Okay, so these are two steps. First, we have connected Google Forms with Pabbly in this way, and we have got the response. We have captured the webhook response. After that, we have connected Pabbly to Google Docs. This is how we get connected from Pabbly to Google Docs, and this created integration between Google Forms and Google Docs. So I hope you all learned a lot about this video, about this concept. So this was all for today. I hope you will enjoy next video too. So all the links will be available in description box. Thank you for watching.